Welcome to Robert's Race Cars by Triple B. I'm Ronnie, and we're back in the shop today to work on the asphalt car. So here she is. I've been doing a little bit of work on her. I basically got a whole new deck put on the car. I've got one more piece to make over there, a little left side deck piece. Got my buddy Hayden Williams to paint our roof red. Got the windshield back on it, got the roof back on it. I'm gonna get my dad over here to help me get the rear glass all put back on it. But you can see this is the one little spot I got left for the deck on the back. I have got my seat in the car, got it mounted up, got my seat belts in it, got it real sturdy, and it's a great fit, easy to get the seat belts in it and adjust it out. A lot more room to get in here. You can see a lot of area, a lot of space, a lot more space over there to get in to the seat belt. And I could actually adjust that one with everything mounted up in the car. The dirt cars, I couldn't hardly ever get to it. But we got all this going on. I'm gonna try to get that deck piece made here in just a minute. Then I'll get my dad over here maybe next couple days or so, maybe next weekend to get the rear glass on it. But we got the unit ready. We got the motor put together, a few things we need. Got our front end kit we got on it, alternator, of course your water pump, power steering, got a serpentine system got on it. We got our low profile champ pan on the bottom. We got our quartermaster bell housing, our Jericho transmission. Of course, our clutch assembly and everything's up inside there. Can't really see it, but got all that in. Oh, we got somebody yelling for us. Let's go see. What? Where'd you go? In the shop. This girl, she's wild. I gotta clean all this mess up. I cleaned up the car the other day. There you are. What?
When Tyson pulled his roller skate out, it just didn't right out.
The cushion part? It's okay, we can put it back in there. Is Tyson coming? I don't see him. You ready to go to the shop?
He's eating it. And then they all of it.
Hey, you ready to go to the shop or are you staying over here?
I don't know what to ride my bike.
Your scooter's in the shop.
I want to ride my bike.
Fine. You want to bring your bike in the shop?
I want to get my bike.
Okay, you want to bring your bike to the shop? Okay, let's get it. So we got our bike. You ready? I think I'm about to go ahead and put that sucker in the car. At least try to get it test fit while she rides around for a minute. Maybe we can get it bolted down today and a few things hooked up. So stick with us and let's see how it goes. What you think? That's what I thought. All right, so I wanted to record putting the motor in the car, but I'm here by myself. Lainey's running around, she's helping me, but there's only so much a 4-year-old can do. But she's in there. Got it set in, got her bolted down. Had to play with the spacers a little bit. You can see there's a few spacers front and back. Had to get as low in the car as possible without the pan hanging out the bottom of the car. But she's in and she's bolted down. So it's a big step. Got it all in there, motor, bell housing, train, starter. I'm about to start hooking everything up. So, I don't know. Got a few more little things to do before I could really button everything up. I'm gonna take these valve covers off. I gotta drill a few holes. I got a plug with a cap, basically an oil fill hole that I'm gonna drill, put it in, get it welded in, and I also got a fitting that I'm going to put in the front to pull a little bit of vacuum on the motor out to a remote canister. But we're going to do that, take these McMurtry stickers off. I'm going to go get them powder coated and make them look really nice. They already look nice, but I don't know. I think I might powder coat them red to match or go back black. Y'all let me know in the comments what you want, what color you think we need, either red or black valve covers. All right, we getting things buttoned up here. We got the radiator in it, upper radiator hose. Our fan was already on our radiator, but we got the wire run, got it plugged in. Got our wire over to our alternator in, got our water temp light hooked up, water temp sensor hooked up, got our power steering hoses hooked up, and just a few other little things. Got our shifters hooked up. This is our oil pressure gauge. I have another one. I just got to go get it out the box, out the bag. It needs to be a 90 on that end, as you can tell. But I have that. I'm going to hook that up. This is our ground. We're going to hook this to the bell housing on the back. We still got to plug in our distributor. I'm going to clean some of that stuff up and get all it plugged in. And I don't know, we're making good headway. We got all the water lines hooked up to our remote tank over there. Got our starter hooked up, and we moved to this other side. We have our starter down here, got the wire run to it. One thing I did see, where'd it go? Where's it at? There it is. So this is our oil temp sensor. We're gonna break it loose and run it down the other side because it is on the driver's side of the pan, not the passenger side. But we're getting there, we're buttoning things up. I just cleaned up the headers. There's a bunch of residue, gasket residue, or RTV residue, high temp stuff. I got all that cleaned up on both of them. So we're about to put them on and try to get this exhaust hooked up, and we'll just keep plugging along. All right, another update. We're here in the shop again, working on this asphalt car. We've gotten a lot buttoned up. We've got our remote tank. That's our water tank. Got it run into the water pump up here. Got all this in, tightened up. Got all kind of stuff. Got the headers on. We got the ignition, the distributor wired up, the coil wire. Got the spark plug wires up and out of the way. Got our oil pressure line hooked up. We'll come on this side. We got our fuel line. It runs through here. We got it hooked to the fuel pump. Just really a bunch of little stuff. Getting stuff kind of zip tied up, out of the way. Our oil temp was on this side. It was ran down this tube over here. I guess it was on the right side of the pan on the guy who had it previous to us, but we got it over here on this side and ran over here, and you can see it right there, it runs in. Got it tied into the oil pan. So we've got a lot buttoned up. Honestly, if I had a carburetor, which I should have already ordered it, we could fire this bad boy up. But until then, we'll take this off. I just hooked the battery up, and we'll see if she'll spin over. Let's see, we'll do the windshield. It's got the power on. It's hard to reach. Let's see. Starter. Oh yeah. So she'll spin over. I didn't get no wires backwards. Let's see what else. Oh, fat boy. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's our fan. Okay, helmet blower, and then our fan on the radiator. Can't get to it, but we can hear it. Get out of here. Oh man. Got it up on the left. It's a little too high for me to reach in there real good. But everything works. Still see it kind of spinning in there, but everything works. So we'll put that carburetor top back on it. And I'm about to start cutting and bending metal, get some sides on this deal. So it's coming along really good. Hopefully we can get the doors and quarters on it maybe this evening or tomorrow. Work has picked up ridiculously at UPS. It's Christmas time, so I'm sure you can imagine. So I got in the car, I'm sitting in the car. Everything feels really good. I got plenty of room, plenty of headroom. Roll bars way over here. Something different. I can see out the mirrors. I've never had mirrors before in a race car. Rear view, center one just like a car, and then the side mirrors where you can see if anybody's rolling underneath you. But I got plenty of room in here. I got plenty of leg room. Oop, throttle pedal's not hooked up yet, but plenty of leg room. That's a big deal. A lot of the dirt cars, I'm probably this far away from the bar. My dad can't fit in some cars, like he cannot fit in a Shaw Modified because his knees hit this dash bar and he can't even pick his feet up to get on the pedals. But plenty of room, turning out really good. Definitely got to get used to that windshield. I need to clean that thing. That's pretty bad. I got a brand new bottle of Windex, but should be able to see everything, and I don't know, it's gonna be real fun. Keep checking in with us. We're getting a lot done, still got a lot to go, but we're having a lot of fun and learning a lot with this asphalt car. There's a good bit of things that are different. I've been told you gotta tie stuff up. They vibrate a lot, which, I mean, I get that. The dirt, we're jumping around and bouncing through holes a lot, so I'm sure it's the same deal. But like, comment, subscribe. Hope this is a nice little update for most of y'all guys. And tell me if I'm doing something wrong. As always, I don't know everything. We'd love to hear from y'all. But like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate it, and hopefully we'll get some more videos out soon.